when it's hurting, does never add up to peace. You start to wonder who's playing. Play me, play who? Lucky I'm stronger than ever. Got the arrangement to leave. You can go on and collect some memories of me. Abandoning is a hard word to use, but it's true. So challenging life with you, but I'm all through. Gone away and gone for good. I did everything I could, but you can't remember me. Gone away and gone for good. I did everything I should, but you can't remember me. Every little thing that was said, it doesn't matter now when I leave, and our song is playing on. Every little thing that was said, it doesn't matter now when I leave, and our song is playing on. No more illusion for us two. I'm really done for the day. Fighting a battle of blaming. Blame me, blame who? Lucky I don't have to reason. Sort out or uncomplicate the road like
Every night it still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah. Still feels right. 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 Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all.
So afraid to fall into the open arms of you. Farthest than I'd ever been. I was always out to win. I tried every loophole to never have to follow. Keeping my heart closed, I thought I knew what I get myself into. You got me breathing better than ever. I'm working on it. You got me racing, trying to catch up. You're already there. I let go of my heart
Just yet. Let's stay here in this moment. Pretend that we're not broken, and kiss me like you used to do before it all went down. 'Cause when
been taking chances that I never took before. All the way up on the highest mountain, I found a place where I can drop the old you. And when you look on the horizon, what you see is what you get. The sparkle and the diamond and the sudden sunset. Oh, oh, I didn't know what I was doing wrong. All the things I'd going on. Oh, oh, I didn't know it could be that strong. Just let it go and carry on. I didn't know what I was doing wrong. All the things I'd going on. Oh, yeah. We could try to be more than friends. The secret of how it ends. It starts with the pick up, keep getting pick up. We watch it go down in flames. Don't wanna know your name. That's how we know it ends. It starts with the pick up, keep getting pick up. We watch it go down in flames. Hang on the ropes now, 'cause I wanna feel your body next to me. Get a bit closer, just a very second till we're falling deep. Crash and burn, oh my god, look on your face, it's just my luck. Move so fast, 'cause even if I try to play it cool, I keep on circle back to what I do. I crush a little heart and hide the tools. Yeah. We could try to be more than friends. The secret of how it ends. It starts with the pick up, keep getting pick up. We watch it go down in flames. Don't wanna know your name. That's how we know it ends. It starts with the pick up, keep getting pick up. We watch it go down in flames. Feel it under my skin. I feel it, I'm gonna give in. We could try to be more than friends. The secret of how it ends. It starts with the pick up, keep getting pick up. We watch it go down in flames. Don't wanna know your name. That's how we know it ends. It starts with
Over me, but now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of here. Just get me out of. How can you be so calm around me when I act desperately? You used to be the one getting crazy when I'd be hard to reach. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, were we enemies? No, you don't mind the way I said my words. You know exactly what it means and how it hurts. Oh, I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No, no. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. 'Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over
your face. We became
I just wanna leave it all behind. Yeah, I'm breaking up with you tonight. Yeah, you know it's hard to say. Yeah, you know we're not okay. I can see it in your face. We became a lonely place. Yeah. Goodbye, so long, my dear love. Love is forgotten, so I'm moving on. Goodbye, so long, my dear friend. We did our best until the very end. Goodbye, so long, my dear love, my dear love.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
I could stop pretending that I wanted this to happen. I could just say it, say how I feel now. But my tongue is like a wall, keeping words safe in my heart. I can never say them, but